to my channel in Crafty Loose. Today I want to show you how to crochet cute bunny amigurumi. I use cotton yarn, cream, and I will combine color with purple. I use 2mm crochet hook. You can use other color you want, and this amigurumi depends on your hook and your yarn size. Please support this channel by subscribe, comment, and like this video. Happy watching! First row, make 6 single crochet in magic circle. Here. Row 2, make increase by 2 single crochet in same stitch. And 1 single crochet again. Continue the next stitch, 1 increase, repeat for all stitches, 1 increase by 2 single crochet in same stitch. Okay, finish row 2. Don't forget to put marker in first stitch. In the row 3, make 1 single crochet. Then 1 increase in next stitch by 2 single crochet in same stitch. Repeat 1 single crochet, then 1 increase by 2 single crochet in same stitch. Finish row 3. Row 4, make 2 single crochet, then 1 increase by 2 single crochet in same stitch. Repeat 2 single crochet, then 1 increase. Repeat for all stitches. Finish row 4, row 5, make 3 single crochet in the next stitch, 2, 3, then make 1 increase in the next stitch by 2 single crochet in same stitch. Repeat 3 single crochet to the next stitch, followed by 1 increase by 2 single crochet in same stitch. Repeat for all stitches. Finish row 5. For row 6 until 11, just make 1 single crochet for all stitches. Finish row 11. Now for row 12, make 3 single crochet, 2, 3, then make 1 decrease by 2 single crochet together. Pull yarn, then repeat 3 single crochet, 2, 3, then make 1 decrease by 2 single crochet together. Repeat for all stitches. Finish row 12. Row 13, make 2 single crochet, then decrease by 2 single crochet together. Repeat 2 single crochet, then make 1 decrease by 2 single crochet together. Repeat for all stitches. Finish row 13. Row 14, make 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease. Repeat 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease. Do it for all stitches. Finish. Don't forget to starting by favorite fill. Now for last row, make 1 decrease for all stitches. Okay, finish head. Continue making ear. First row, make 6 single crochet in magic circle. Two, row 2, make increase by 2 single crochet in same stitch. Finish row 2. Row 3, make 1 single crochet, then 1 increase by 2 single crochet in same stitch. Repeat 1 single crochet, then 1 increase by 2 single crochet in same stitch. If you miss 1, 2 or 3 stitches, just go ahead, it's not problem. Finish row 3. Finish row 5. Row 9, make 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make decrease by 2 single crochet together. Repeat. One, 2, 4 single crochet, then decrease by 2 single crochet together. Finish row 6. Row 7, just make 1 single crochet for all stitches. Finish row 7. Row 8, make 3 single crochet. Then decrease by 2 single crochet together. Repeat 3 single crochet, then decrease by 2 single crochet together. Finish. Row 9, just make 1 single crochet for all stitches. Finish row 9. Row 10, make 2 single crochet. Then 1 decrease. Repeat 1 single crochet, sorry, 2 single crochet, then 1 decrease by 2 single crochet together. Repeat for all stitches. Finish row 10. Row 11, just make 1 single crochet for all stitches. Finish ear, make 1 ear again.